Do you know many people are having trouble with their Parkside HG04678 leaking water in standby mode? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this.
Let's start.
Step 1. Check programs. Check the watering programs. Use the rotary control to switch between program 1.6. If needed, press SET for 2 seconds to modify the data. Step 2. Activate/deactivate program. Activate or deactivate the program. Select the program, press SET, and set the rotary control to ON or OFFF. Confirm by pressing SET again. Step 3. Monitor timer. Monitor the watering timer. Ensure it is set correctly by checking for the flashing timer symbol on the display. Step 4. Reset system. Reset the system. Press SET and buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds. All symbols will display on the LCD screen. Step 5. Confirm watering days. Confirm watering days. Select each day and confirm by pressing SAT. Finalize by pressing the button. Step 6. Use manual operation. Manual operation option. You can manually open or close the valve at any time without altering the program data. By following these steps, your Parkside HG04678 should no longer leak water while in standby mode, ensuring efficient watering. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Parkside users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.